Hey, it's around here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your videos transcribed for free. This is really beneficial, especially if you want to turn your videos into blog posts. If you want to turn your videos into written content, whether it's Instagram captions, Facebook posts, LinkedIn articles, etc. If you want to consume videos through reading instead of watching, some people prefer that. And also to utilize this as a content repurposing strategy by instructing a video editor or a virtual assistant on what parts of a long form video to turn into short form content. If you're not totally sure what these really mean exactly, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean in a moment. So stay tuned. The first step is always you want to upload whatever video content you have to YouTube first. It doesn't matter if it goes public or not. So the video that I'm going to upload is called the List Builder Bundle. And the reason I'm uploading this particular video specifically is this is a sales video, which you can see right here, which I've used as an upsell as part of a funnel. I want to turn that particular video into a sales page copy, so I can actually write a sales page specifically for that. And also, because the video a couple of times mentioned things that are specifically for the upsell page, I want to have my video editor chop it a little bit smaller and remove the parts that are relevant to an upsell page so I can turn it into a standalone sales page. So I'm going to click on next and just upload the video. So I'm going to go through that process. While the video is uploading, you want to go to Google and search YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Then you're going to click on this Chrome extension, which I already have installed, okay? But you're just going to go there and install this particular Chrome extension. You will notice that this Chrome extension already has a lot of users and, it's obviously being used, and it's also a featured Chrome extension. So now that I've successfully uploaded the video to YouTube, you'll notice that I have it as unlisted. You don't have to have it public. Unlisted means that nobody else can see it and only somebody that actually has direct link can see it. So this is not searchable on YouTube. So now what you want to do is, because I have the Chrome extension installed, you see here transcript and summary. And there's a couple of things I could do. I can click on this drop down right here, and then I can click here on view AI summary, and it will take me to ChatGPT and actually summarize the video. So just pay attention. It's going to automatically start to summarize. There you go. Short little summary, nothing great. Because it's an upsell video, it's not really content, so that's pretty straightforward. Now, if you go back to the video, you'll notice that you can click on this button right here, copy transcript. You now have the complete transcript of this video. I'm going to go back to the Google Doc, and I'm going to paste the transcript right here. Now, let's just say that there is a piece of this transcript that I want to be edited out, which there is, okay? So I'm gonna go, and it says, hey, obviously this is a typo. Hey, it's around here, before moving on to the next step. So I don't want it to say that. I want it to literally go to this section, and I want this to be edited out. So I'm gonna highlight that, like so. And that way my video editor knows that this section needs to be edited out. Now, a little bit later as well, you will see that I'm talking again about the upsell somewhere. So this page only, or this page. So you see this section where it says, if you click the link below, it's a one-time offer at this price. It is extremely affordable. You won't be able to get this price anywhere else. That is not true if I'm doing a direct sales page. For the one-time offer, that's correct when it's part of an upsell video. But I want to reuse this video, not have to re-record it basically. So I'm going to say instead, this process templates included little case studies, examples. I've been able to build my business. Everything started with strategy, client acquisition. So be able to click this on if you click the link below. And I'm going to delete this section like so. Highlight that. Okay. And now it basically goes, the list builder button takes care of everything from A to Z, from setting up, but also drive traffic, Okay, so this section in yellow and this section in yellow, my video editor now knows to chop that video and chop this section. Alternatively, let's just say you're doing content repurposing, and let's just say this section is the 1 minute that you want to have them cut into like a 30-second reel for TikTok or Instagram or Facebook reel or YouTube shorts. So you could do two things. Number one, you can actually highlight it differently. So you will tell them, okay, great, this is the part which I want you to turn into a reel, and you will instruct your VA to do that. Now, alternatively, what you can do is you can actually go to the video itself on YouTube and have a listen. And let's just pretend that from 50 to 60 is the portion where you want somebody to turn into a reel. So have a listen for a second.
really good emails and get a whole bunch of email templates to make your life so much easier for different sequences. It could be sequences for just when somebody joins your list. It can also...
Great. So let's just say that this 10 seconds needs to be turned into a reel. Let's just pretend. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on clip.
Be to get somebody to book a call, things along these.
And you're going to go to 0.50. And
so there's the email sequence.
0.50, and then you're going to drag this over to this section like so.
It can also how to actually write really good emails and get a whole bunch of email templates to make your...
Now let's just say that there's a section with like, yeah, it should start a little bit earlier. You would just drag this a little bit further like so.
Process of strangers to customers and learn how to... It also includes email sequence in a day. So of strangers to customers and learn how to actually write really good emails.
So let's just say this is the section that you want somebody to turn into a reel. So you're going to call this reel email sequence in a day. Let's just say. You're going to click on share clip. And now you're going to get this direct link. Now, if you open it up in a new tab, you're going to see that this is just a 13 seconds video. Okay. Now, here's what's going to happen. You're now going to use this clip, and you could set it up elsewhere. It doesn't have to be here. But you could say email sequence in a day reel, let's just say, and then paste it in. So then therefore, reels to be created from the long form video. And you can actually make a list of every single reel that needs to be created. Now, I did a little test where I tried to just download this video directly. Didn't seem to work for me. Maybe there is a way to do it. If you do know of a way to do it, directly download it from this video. Then definitely leave a comment below because I'm interested to know. I just did a couple of tests to see if it works and it didn't seem to work for me. But regardless, my VA now knows which section to turn into a reel. So they can actually go to the original video and in their video editing tool, they can chop this piece. Now, stick around to the end. I'm going to show you once you create these individual reels, basically, where you're telling your VA which part needs to be turned into a reel. I'll show you a software that you can actually use. It is a paid software, which costs $10 a month, in case you want to do that part yourself, or hire a virtual assistant who will do it for you for very cheap, and they don't even have to be a video editor. That's another option. So I'll show you that in a second. Now, let's go back to the aspect of this video, which is transcribing your videos for free. So as you saw, basically, right here, you have this option where you can click here on the copy transcript, and you've got the transcript. Now, with the content, you can basically now go and find different parts of the transcript, turn it into Instagram captions, Facebook posts, and so on, and just use this text. It makes your life a lot easier. You can also read the transcript of the video, as we discussed, so that's really good as well. And you can, of course, turn this into a blog post and tweak the text. Now, in terms of the video editor, you can go to a software called ClipScribe, and you'll notice here that I created a video which is just like a 19 seconds video. Now, I'm going to show you how to do something like that. So if you were to go to the video itself, I'm just going to go back to the video. You're going to upload the 3 minutes video that I just showed you. Once you've uploaded it, you can click on the plus button right here, and then you're going to click on start new video because I've already done a video. You will see that you've got the different options on what platform you want it to be uploaded to. So I'm just going to click the option for to be uploaded to the reels. So I'm going to click on this button right here, which is the layout that I want. Now I've got a bunch of templates, different examples that are already here. I'm going to pick this particular template. Now it's going to take me to the original 3 minutes video. Now with the 3 minutes video, you will notice that everything is transcribed. So you're going to go right here to the CC, closed captions, and then here you're going to click on the closed captions options, and you're going to enable all blocks. Now basically what you're going to see is every single transcript in alignment with the minute by minute, and you can edit the text and things like that. You can move it around. You could do all that stuff. That's not really the topic of this video. I could do another tutorial on ClipScribe specifically. But the point is that let's just say that you want a specific section to be edited. So there's a couple of things you can do. What you can do is you can hover over the CC options, and you're going to disable all blocks. Once you've done that, you will see that all of this is going to be not visible. Now you're going to scroll down to the section, or your VA could do that, where you're going to go to the section that you wanted to be turned into just a short reel. So you're going to scroll down, and we're going to find a section like to do with the email sequence. So you're going to see where it says learn how to actually write really good emails and get a whole bunch of email templates to make your life easier for email sequences. It could be sequences when somebody joins your list. It could also be when somebody books a call, things along these lines, so that the email sequence in a day is going to be included. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and now that's going to be visible. You're going to click on this. Now that's going to be visible. Click on this. It's going to be visible. 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 Okay, so this now is going to be a video. So you're going to say email sequence in a day. Okay, there you go. Email sequence in a day. How to get it done with ease. Now we're going to make this a little bit smaller. There you go. We're going to move this up a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to, because now it's all been created, we're going to click on the word make. Give it a few seconds. You see that it's thinking. You see that it's doing its thing. And just a few seconds later, it is making the video. And now I can click on download the video. Here it is, downloading. Click on it and have a listen.
Learn how to actually write really good emails and get a whole bunch of email templates to make your life so much easier for different sequences. It could be sequences for just when somebody joins your list. It can also be to get somebody to book a call, things along these lines. So there's the email sequence in a day. You're going to get that included.
And there you go. That's a short little reel that was created. Now, obviously, there is a couple of errors in the subtitles. That's something that you can go back and edit as well. So that's something that you can definitely do. You can simply click on the CC right here, and you can go and change the text here. These are different sequences. There you go. So here, like that. And it just automatically changes it. So it's really like a Word document, basically. So this is a really good tool for repurposing content. Now, this can get really tedious. That's why I prefer hiring a video editor, which is what I have. And of course, the original video was also edited by a video editor. So you got subtitles here, subtitles here. It can be a little bit funny. But let's just pretend that this video was not edited in the first place. This will be an amazing way to repurpose your content. By the way, I do have a coupon code for ClipScribe. You can use the coupon code ARAN10 and you'll get a 10% discount on any of the plans that you end up choosing. So that is a little summary, little bonus thing about how to get your videos transcribed for free. You simply use YouTube and use the Chrome extension, which is called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. You'll be able to download the transcript and use it for those various use cases. So there you go. Hope you found this video helpful. Please share this with somebody if you felt that this is something that they would benefit from. If you have any other videos you want to record, anything like that that you want to do, definitely leave a comment below. And if you got value from this video, definitely leave a comment, let me know, and by leaving the word value. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.